Phantom wallet versus Metamask. Which crypto wallet is better? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Phantom wallet versus Metamask. So first of all, Phantom wallet is best for Solana users. The pros are designed for Solana first, low fees, fast extensions, clean beginner-friendly UI, built-in NFT viewer for Solana NFTs, and multi-chain support added in 2024. Now supports Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, 2FA via hard wallets like Ledger. And the cons are still limited in EVM, DApp compatibility, fewer settings or custom RPC options than MetaMask, less widely supported by Ethereum native dApps, and best for beginners, Solana users, NFT collectors, and those wanting a smooth multi-chain UX without complexity. And MetaMask is best for Ethereum ecosystem. The browser the most widely supports wallet on Ethereum dApps, works on L2s like Arbitrum, Optimism, and ZK Sync. Custom network or RPC settings, strong DeFi, ecosystem access, and Uniswap, AV, Compound, etc. Multiple browser extension features such as phishing protection, and the console interface can feel cluttered for beginners, does not natively support Solana or Bitcoin, and Ethereum gas fees can be expensive for newcomers. Best for DeFi traders, Ethereum on NFT enthusiasts, advanced users who interact with multiple Ethereum based networks, and choose Phantom if you use Solana or want low fee transaction, you new to crypto and want a cleaner, simple UI, you prefer NFT and support on Solana, you want all in one multi-chain wallet with less clutter, and choose MetaMask if you are deeply involved in Ethereum or DeFi, you want full customizability and L2 options, you use the apps like Uniswap, OpenSea, etc. You are okay with some complexity for more power. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.